Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's a real windy morning out here, and thought I'd bring you guys with me. Got a couple of cars to move around here. A couple of cold starts for you. Parking gets kind of screwed up around here, and it makes me angry. Well, the old man that lives downstairs, he used to have a car, but they took it away from him. He used to park it right here on the front lawn. So I put the wagon there for now. It's out of the way and stuff. See, that thing belongs to the next door neighbor. The same people who have that annoying Volkswagen bus that I hate. Well, the girl goes to college during the week, and wherever she parks that thing, it stays there for the whole week until she comes back on the weekend. Usually it's right there in front of the gate. The mailman gets pissed at me because he can't get in. You know what? The mailman's not supposed to come through the driveway. If there's a gate with a sidewalk, he has to follow that and put the mail. That thing there has got an expired plate. Belongs to the other neighbors that live in that house too. They hardly ever use that. They just park it in the way. And if you look, that truck right there, I don't know, that's somebody just visiting, but the whole driveway is empty, and they park all the cars in front of my house. Doesn't make much sense. And on top of that, that guy with the Volkswagen has a landscaping company, and he usually pulls up at night with his whole like dump truck and trailer and chipper and all that foolish crap, and parks it right in the way. So I gotta try to fit everything. Now, I get a lot of cars, I understand that. I admit it. But now it's kind of screwed up. Usually I'll put the old lady's Camaro right there. Man, that wind is cold. And put the Suburban in front of the dumpster. That way, when I come in with my truck, I can pull right in there. Make a little spot right there. That way I can fit three and nothing's blocked in. So that being said, we're going to have to fire up this 79 Camaro. It's not going to get driven much now that it's cold out. It's got no heat. And right now it's got a little problem. Sometimes it just stalls out, loses spark, and I think it's the wires at the distributor, because you wiggle them around and it starts, but not too good. And of course the Suburban, no problem, starts right up. Let's get the hood open on this Camaro. It's kind of a pain in the ass. It's got the original 305 that came with this Berlinetta. Someone put a Victor Jr. intake on it. They're really trying to get everything they can out of this 305. Set of headers. There's those wires there. That hot wire and stuff that plugs in. That's where the problem is, some kind of gremlin in there. But I'm not supposed to work on it, so I was going to see if this thing fires up. That way I can move it over here, get it out of the way. Oh yeah, can't get in that door, busted. Yep, tarps here. That's because T-tops leak. Windows down, I guess. It's a good idea. Leave that open. No lock. Don't need it. Got some leaves. Oh yeah, busted. Lots of leaves. Well, don't need a key either in this thing. Fired right up today. Does actually run pretty good when it does run. Sure is pretty. One pump. Original 350 untouched. Original Quadrajet. Oh, that's not even moving. Not even shaking. No tailpipes. You know, like no tailpipes.